Hello lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen. You're warmly welcome here. Today we are cooking potato like Nigerians. This potato recipe is perfect with fried egg sauce, stew, and I'll show you how to thoroughly cook potato for a delicious taste. To begin with this potato recipe, let's start with peeling it. So I'll proceed to pour the required quantity of potato that I need for my cooking in a bowl. My bowl is already placed in my sink. The reason why I like to do this part of the cooking in the sink is because it helps me keep all the mess together, especially while peeling the potatoes. So I'll go ahead and peel off the skin as can be seen in the video. There are two major ways to peel off potato skin. The first one is to use a knife, just as you can see, while the second one is to use a potato peeler. A knife seems to be a common kitchen utensils that can be easily found in any kitchen, and this knife method is one of the easiest and fastest, especially for those who are more comfortable with using knife. But if you feel like it's more convenient for you to use a potato peeler, by all means feel free to peel your potato skin with that. Just make sure that you peel the skin off. Dear ladies and gentlemen, share this video, like this video, and of course subscribe to this channel because I'm about to share with you certain useful tips on how to cook potatoes properly. After peeling, it's time to clean it well. I like to clean my potatoes twice, and this is because my potatoes are clean. The skin of my potatoes are clean. But if you are not sure of how clean your potatoes are, especially when you have mud on your hands when you start to peel it, that is a signal that you have to clean your potatoes at least 3 to 4 times or till the water is clear. Now that I'm done with the cleaning part, it's time for the slicing part. There is one way that you should never slice your potato in, and it's this way. Do not slice your potato in the middle. If not, the surrounding areas will be properly cooked, but the middle, the inside, will not cook thoroughly. Now, here is how to slice your potatoes. Slice it from the top down, and you would have well-cooked potatoes. Now I'll pour some water into my pot, enough water to cover it, and then I'll add half tablespoon salt. After this, I'll go ahead and place it on my cooker and allow it to cook until it is soft enough. Bear in mind that the cooking time depends on the maturity of the potatoes that you are cooking. So after 15 minutes, I'll check just to feel it to know if it's soft enough. And how do I check? Let me tell you. To check if potatoes are well cooked, all you need is your fork. Go ahead and put your fork in the potato. If it goes right through, that means it is soft enough to be enjoyed. But if there is any form of resistance at all, that's your cue to continue to cook for a little bit more. So after 15 minutes, I just checked and it's not thoroughly cooked to my satisfaction. So I'll cook it for extra 10 more minutes. Now it's time to check again. And with my fork, I'll do exactly what I told you earlier. I'll push it through the potatoes, and yes, now it's thoroughly cooked. So what do I do with the excess water in the pot? Very simple. I'll place my basket in my sink and pour the potato and the excess water into the basket to get rid of it. Now, my pot is filled with just deliciously cooked potato with no excess water, and I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make potato. You know, one thing about this is all you need to do is to follow the steps and the result will come naturally. Okay, delicious potato is ready to be enjoyed with any meal of your choice. Remember I said you could enjoy it with stew, fried egg sauce, and even butter. It's so lovely to have you on my channel, and thank you for coming here to watch my video. For my new viewers, hi, welcome. I hope to see more of you. And for my old and regular viewers, thank you for always coming here.